Hi everyone, welcome to our first SketchUp tutorial. Today we're going to dive into some basic tools and start building a simple room layout. You will also learn how to use groups to keep everything organized right from the start. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, you need to create a SketchUp account, and I'm using right now SketchUp Web, which is free for everyone. You can use it while you have internet, and when you log in, you'll see this page, and you will have two options. Either you create a new file or you open a file from your machine. But today, since we're starting a new project, we'll go and say create new and choose the architectural feet and inches. This is what you see when you start a new project. You see the model space, a scale figure, the blue, red, green axis, and then you see some tools on the right, some tools on the left, and those are the essential ones. And you click on the three dots here at the bottom, you see more tools. The most important things to be successful while using SketchUp, you need a mouse. You cannot model anything without using a mouse. So I really recommend that you get one. And let's get started. So first, I don't need the scale figure. I will right click and say erase. From there, I will go and choose the top view, because right now, if I go to the orbit, and then I see that I'm working in the 3D model, but I would like to see it from the top. So I go scenes, and then I go to standard views, go to the plan view top. Right now, I'm looking at the model from the top. It is really easy to start this way, so you know exactly the dimensions and how the layout will look like. Then I will go to the rectangle tool here and start from the origin, and I just click one time and then move my mouse, and I will type 20 feet, comma, 20 feet, comma. Those are the dimensions for my room, and I hit enter. This is exactly what I want, and I click on the select so I can choose another tool if I want to. Right now, it's only, if you see in 3D, it's only a surface with lines and points. I would like to make it 3D. So the first step is I will go and I will create the exterior walls. So I will use the offset tool, and I just click on one line and say I want it to be 6 inches. Let's see, I'm doing it again, offset, and then I'll have this option to do something random or do something specific, which is the bottom right. I can type 6 inches there. This is exactly the how I want the exterior walls of my room to look like. The other step is I'll go to the 3D so I can see it, better. And I click on the tool called push pull, and I just drag it up, and I type the height of the wall. I'll go with 10 feet. So you will see I created a room 3D from just a surface and some lines. After this, if you want to move a wall or a line, it's kind of different than other softwares. So in SketchUp, you cannot just move a line or a point easily. You have to make sure it is grouped. So I select all, right click, and make a group. Right now, I have it as a group. If I click on anything or move anything, everything will move with it. So that's really useful when we have a lot of elements in our building or we have a lot of components, and it's more easy and organized to do it that way. The other thing I wanted to tell you is after making it as a group, I also can tag it. Tags here is on the right, and I say create tag, and I say exterior walls. So right now, if I go and click on the three dots and I say apply, these walls are under this layer. So if I don't want it and I wanted to turn it off, I click on the eye and it will disappear. If I want it on, I click again and we'll see it again. The next step, I will try to do interior walls. And I don't have any interior walls yet. So I go to the top view, and then I will go use the measure tool, and I do 5 feet from that point and create a rectangle, which is 4 inches, and I type enter, and then I go to the measure tool again and measure about 10 feet away from the wall. Let's say 10 feet, and then create another exterior wall. Also, interior wall, which is 4 inches again. So these are my interior walls. I can tag them here. I apply. Okay. Now I would like to hide the exterior walls, and I can see the interior walls better. So since they are not grouped yet, I will just use the push pull command and then say 10 feet, another 10 feet, and then select all, make it as a group. Okay, group it. Nice. Now I have my exterior, interior. The next tutorial, I will show you how to create walls and windows. I will show you how to create doors and windows. Thank you.